Understanding the 10 golden rules of money will significantly improve your chances of building substantial wealth. These rules are not complex or revolutionary ideas, but rather a straightforward set of guidelines to help you manage your finances effectively. Failing to learn these rules could result in a constant struggle, making every aspect of your life an uphill battle. By following these 10 golden rules, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Number 10. Always pay yourself first. The first step whenever you receive income should be to set aside a portion for yourself. Instead of considering your total income as what you can spend, allocate a percentage to your savings and use the remaining amount for spending. The advantage of paying yourself first is building a nest egg to secure your future and creating a cushion for emergencies or unexpected expenses. This extra buffer has numerous benefits, such as reducing stress levels. Knowing that an unusual expense won't ruin you financially and force you into debt can provide immense peace of mind. Number 9. Don't spend to impress others. People often make purchases to impress others, even if they don't know them well or even dislike them. That neighbor you despise sure would be impressed if you went out and bought a brand new car. Or your friends and family might feel the same way about a big house. These purchases might make you feel better about yourself, and these people might be impressed for a short time. However, your neighbors, friends, and family will be over these purchases shortly thereafter. Keep in mind that the financial burden of car payments and home maintenance will remain for years. Prioritize your own needs and avoid spending money solely to impress others. Number 8. Have the right mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in improving your personal finances. Having the right mentality can lead to significant progress. Excuses and negative beliefs about becoming wealthy will only hinder your financial growth. Taking responsibility for your financial situation is essential. Make a conscious decision to be wealthy instead of remaining in a cycle of financial struggle. Instead of focusing on reasons things won't work out, ask yourself how you can become rich. How can you generate enough income to never have to work again? Wealthy individuals view obstacles as opportunities and see every failure as a chance to learn and grow. Number 7. Stay organized. A cluttered and disorganized home can create stress and chaos, and the same applies to your finances. Disorganized bills and budgets can lead to missed payment deadlines, increased fees, poor spending habits, and lower savings. At the very least, you should know your total income and take-home pay, monthly expenses, savings rate, investment returns, and your net worth. Understanding these numbers makes it easier to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Let's say one of your goals is to achieve a net worth of $100,000. It's vital to know these figures in order to track your progress and goals effectively. Number 6. Set SMART goals. Establishing well-defined goals is essential for achieving financial freedom. Without clear objectives, you may struggle to find direction and make significant progress. When setting goals, consider the SMART acronym, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-based. These criteria will help you create high-quality goals that are more likely to be accomplished. It's important to write your goals down, as this increases emotional and intellectual engagement and improves the likelihood of achieving them. The research found that writing down goals daily can increase the chances of success by 42%. Number 5. Balance risk and reward. Risk is an inherent part of life, including your financial decisions, and it's crucial to find the right balance between risk and reward. As a general rule, higher risk often leads to higher potential returns. However, taking on excessive risk could lead to financial ruin, while avoiding risk altogether may prevent you from getting ahead and achieving financial freedom. For example, investing in a rental property involves risk, but the potential returns could outperform other investments. Similarly, leaving your job to pursue a new career path entails risk, but it could lead to greater personal and financial fulfillment. To be financially responsible, you must understand the risks involved in your decisions and find ways to mitigate them. Number 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. Just because you can make monthly payments doesn't mean you can afford the purchase. With easy financing options for various expenses, it's tempting to go into debt to fund them. However, if you cannot pay for these luxuries in cash, you cannot truly afford them. Moreover, monthly payments can severely impact your cash flow, meaning you'll have substantially less money for financial improvement. This doesn't mean you can never utilize the bank's money and must only pay cash for everything you buy. There are times when using other people's money can be beneficial, provided you at least have the money to pay cash if necessary. Number 3. Make your money work for you. Saving money in a bank account with low interest rates and high inflation won't make you wealthy. To build wealth, you need to understand how to invest your money effectively. As Warren Buffett famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Relying solely on trading time for money is not an effective strategy for getting rich, as there is a limit to how much time can be spent working. Moreover, when you trade time for money, you're either earning or spending money, but not both. To build wealth, focus on generating passive income through investments that work for you even when you're not actively working. Number 2. Learn the game of money. No one wants to live a life of constant struggle to afford the things they need and want. This can lead to stress, poor health, and a lack of happiness and fulfillment. You have 2 options: learn and master the game of money or risk being broke forever. Although mastering your finances may seem daunting, many find it easier than the alternative of constantly struggling to make ends meet, pay bills, and work tirelessly. By learning the game of money, you can create a more fulfilling and prosperous life for yourself. Number 1. Focus on appreciating assets. To improve your long-term financial stability and personal net worth, prioritize investing in assets that appreciate in value, such as real estate and stocks. Avoid spending excessively on depreciating assets, like cars and expensive material goods, as they can hinder wealth building. Taking loans to finance these purchases can be particularly harmful to your financial well-being. By directing your money towards assets that earn you money, you can build a strong financial foundation and increase your net worth. Money significantly impacts our lives, whether we like it or not. It influences nearly every aspect of our day, making it crucial to understand the 10 golden rules of money. These rules can significantly improve the quality of your life and help you reach your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content on personal finance and investing.